Hi, good morning. Today we are going to see about ThinkSpeak API interfacing ESP8266 that comes under cloud platforms for IoT. What is ThinkSpeak? ThinkSpeak is an IoT analytic platform service that allows us to aggregate, visualize, and analyze the live data streams in the world. We can send data to ThinkSpeaks from our devices, such as Arduino, and then we can use various tools to process and visualize the data. It is a popular choice for IoT projects because it provides easy to use API for both sending and retrieving data. What is ThinkSpeak? ThinkSpeak is an IoT analytic platform services that allow to aggregate and visualize and analyze live data streams in cloud. It provides instant visualization of data posted by our services, posted by our devices to ThinkSpeak. In that we have to interface and ThinkSpeak. First we have to go to ThinkSpeak and we have to sign up for a free account, and then we have to create a new channel for creating that project. After login we have to create a new channel, and we have to fill the necessary details like channel name and field name. For example, whether we are using a temperature sensor, DH11 sensor, we have to mention it a temperature and humidity sensor, and we have to save the channel by providing a channel key and channel ID. After creating these accounts, first we have to identify the what are the components that we are required for creating these projects. First one is an Arduino board, a Wi-Fi module board, and sensor board. Arduino board like UNO Mega Nano, and Wi-Fi module like ESP8266 and ESP32. Sensor module like DHT sensors, DHT levels also for temperature and humidity sensor. And for connecting these components, in previous video itself we have discussed about how to connect a DHT sensors and SPA2W6 model double six model with Arduino, and we have to give a DHT sensor for a voltage of 3.3 volt and ground. We have to connect those pins and data pin to digital pin of D4, and we have to install the required libraries like DHT sensor library and from the Arduino library manager, and also we have to install ESP8266 Wi-Fi mod library. If it is already installed, we don't need to install those library files. Then in that we have first include the Wi-Fi modules, and including the library files like Wi-Fi module and DHT sensor module and ThinkSpeak API. And we have to create an API key for connecting those channel. What we are created in previous video in previous slide, and we have to give the Wi-Fi credentials like username and password we have to give, and we have to call the server like apithingspeaks.com, and we have to give the channel number we have created before a channel. In that we have to give the channel number and Wi-Fi client ID. In that we have in previous video itself we have discussed about DHT sensor, how to interface DHT with Arduino. In that we are in the same manner we are here using, we have connected the DHT sensor, and we are getting data from DHT sensors like humidity and temperature. In that we are giving Wi-Fi credentials like username and password, and if Wi-Fi is available, we can connect directly. If it is not available, if Wi-Fi is available, waiting for connecting, then if it is not available, it will be wait for some time for connect. If it is available, it will directly connect to that network. Then humidity, we have read the data from DHT sensors like humidity and temperature. We have print that temperature and humidity field. We have mentioned the channel name, channel number one. In that we are mentioning the temperature, and also we are providing the API key. In next field we are mentioning the channel number two. In that we are mentioning it as humidity, and we have given an API key also, so that we can get transmit and receive data. First we are in that program, first we have to initialize library files and Wi-Fi configuration, then we DHT sensor initialization, and we have created a loop to read sensor data and construct a HTTP post request and send data to ThingSpeak. Visualization data on ThingSpeaks. Create widgets after data starts flowing into a channel. You can create widgets to visualize the data and go to your channel view and click add widgets and to add graphs, gauges or other visualization tools. And we can also analyze the data. We can directly get the data from ThingSpeaks and we can analyze the data. Thank you.